shares. Okay, from fast to earn, you click on these three dots up here. Okay, you click on these three dots, then you click on projects, you click on all projects. Okay, click on all projects, you allow it to load. So when you get to this page, you will see the numbers of shares that are available. But first of all, you will notice that these shares, the money is actually dropping. Okay, you can see the arrow facing down. Okay, you can see the arrow facing down. And by the way, this particular shares is for $3. Okay, so you see it is for $3. But what we are checking now is here is the you click on the, let me remove this. Okay, so what you check is you click on the particular shares, click on the picture, then this page will open. So you can see that this share is giving weekly, although it normally changes to daily and monthly. So for now, at this time, it is giving 0.03 cents, okay, of dollar, which is nothing. That is for weekly. So even if you buy like 200 or 100 of these shares, you buy 100 pieces of it, you multiply the income for weekly. So this share now is not a good one to buy. Okay, so you just go back. Okay, when you go back, now let me just make it short and quick for you. So let's go to the most profitable one, because that's what I'm here to show you guys. So you click on the last page on the number 11. Okay, you click on the last page on the number 11, you allow it to load. Thinks my network is slow. Okay, here we are. Yeah, so let me reload again. Okay, yeah, so you scroll down, just scroll down. We have better shares that are giving much money here. Wow. Okay, Swiss Watch, the Swiss Watch family business. Let's check on this. Just click on the image to take you to their own page. Then you see the particular income you'll be getting for a day, weekly or monthly. These are the most profitable shares. They put it on A+. If you check here, you will see the A+. You see it there. Those are the profitable shares. Okay, so this one is giving 0.04 cents, for week. That is daily. Okay, so by the way, these shares normally increase and go, and normally increase the price, and also normally increase the price goes down also. Okay, so what we'll do here is you get any amount of these shares. It is for $5. Now the trick here is that once you buy this share for $5, you can buy as many as you want, because in few hours, come back, you will notice that these shares have already increased to $20, and by then it will be more expensive for you to buy. So what we do, we investors, we try to get these shares at this lower price. Now at $5, you get it at this lower price. Okay, get as many as you can, because once the share increase to $20, already you have bought those shares. So the thing there is that you'll be able to sell it. You can put it on sale for $18, and you can see your profit has increased. You bought it for $5, and you gain approximately $12 to $13 profit. So you see, these things are profits, and if you put all of them on sales, imagine the kind of profit you'll be earning. So I would advise you to go for this Swiss Watch family business. Okay, but let me just open another one again before I will show you how to buy this in different payment method. And also this one again is a good one. They are selling for $11. Okay, they are selling for $11. Manufacturing of 3D printers is a good one. It's also an A+ share. Okay, so this one is giving for daily, is giving daily profits. Daily profit dividend is giving 0.35. So you can get as many as you want, because this share also it normally increases to $50, $60. So once it increases within few hours, if you cannot buy it now, you'll be the one at lost, because when it increases, you will not be able to buy it on the higher price. So it's better you buy them now. Okay, buy them now, so that once it increases, this is market, you can see the charts. This is charts, you can see the market chart. Okay, so this is business. When you buy it, make sure you buy them. So buy as many as you want to buy. Okay, so that when this thing increase, you can put it, you can put it on any amount you want. If you buy it for $11 and it increases to 20 to 30 to $50, then you can put it at least for like $48 on sale. By the way, I will show you how to put your shares on sale, but let me show you. Then when you click on this, okay, just go back, then let me show you how to buy the shares. It's very simple. You just click on buy shares. You can see the button here, this green one. Click on buy shares. That is for this tutorial. Then you are buying quantity. How many quantity do you want to buy? Okay, how many quantity do you want to buy? Now you can buy one. If you have the money for one, you can buy that one of $5. You just go back and click on buy shares, buy the one of $5. But if you want to buy 10 of these, okay, if you want to buy 10 of these, it will cost you $110. Like, that is what you get it for. Now let's just say I want to get it for 10 pieces. You click on buy, click on this button. Okay, you just click on this button, buy, and the checkout page will open. Okay, then they will show you this page. What you do is click on yeah, just click on yes. Okay, continue shopping. You allow the checkout page to open. Okay, sorry guys, the video is getting long, but that is just it. I have to show you how you get it. So okay, they give us discounts. So what we'll do is, this is what we are going to pay. Let me just bring it out for you. This is what we are going to pay, and they give us discounts of $7. Okay, give us discount of $7. So what we'll do is, but if you don't want to buy this share, you can just click on remove. Okay, it will be removed from here. You don't need to buy if you don't want to buy. But if you want to buy, this is what you will do. So you can pay with your bank, with your Visa. Yeah, you can pay with PayPal, you can pay with Perfect Money, you can pay with Bitcoin, you can pay with Litecoin. Now the better way to buy your shares, the better way to buy your shares, if you have your Visa, it will be automatically approved without waiting for them to confirm your payment. If you have your PayPal, it will be approved also immediately without waiting for confirmation. If you have Perfect Money, it will also be approved without waiting for confirmation. Okay, see now, when you put on Perfect Money, you will see that they give us $11 discount. Okay, they give us $11 discount, so we are paying $99. Okay, so we are paying $99. So what we'll do is, if you want to pay with Perfect Money, you have money in your Perfect Money account, you can pay. But if you have money in your Bitcoin, like you have your Bitcoin, you can pay. Now I choose, let me just, for this tutorial I will show you. You choose Bitcoin, then you click on purchase. Let me bring it out for those who don't know yet. Then you just click on purchase, and they will give you the Bitcoin address you pay to. Wait for this page to load. Reminder, do not refresh this page. Do not refresh this page. Allow it to load. If your network is slow, allow it to load. Allow it to load. If you refresh this page, you will automatically pay to a wrong address and your money will be lost. So do not refresh this page. Once you click on purchase, it will bring you here. Now you scroll down. You be careful here. So what you do is, you see the amount of Bitcoin you are asked to pay. They say you should pay exactly 0.002130 BTC. Now this is the BTC address you are going to pay to. You just copy it. You hold and copy. Okay, just like this. You hold and copy. You copy. So there's no big deal. You copy. Okay, you copy, then you go to your Bitcoin wallet, where you have funds. Then when you go there, you know how to send Bitcoin, right? You paste the Bitcoin address in your sender page, in your Bitcoin application or whatsoever you want to use. then you click on send. Once you click on send, like I told you, do not close this page. Come back to this page and click on confirm payment. You click on confirm payment, as simple as that. Once you click on confirm payment, then your transaction will be pending for approval. Okay, but if you are using Perfect Money, paper and Visa, it will be automatically approved, because that one is it's just like express. You don't need to wait for confirmation. BTC, they normally confirm before they approve, so it will just take like 2 hours 30 minutes for BTC to be approved. As very short, as limited as that. So that is it, guys. Then let me just go home. Okay, let me go home. Remember, do not refresh this page if you are hoping to buy shares and you want to make your payments with BTC. Okay, let's go home and I will show you how to get your how to put your shares on sale. What you do is, when you're on the home, if you have your shares already, okay, if you have your shares already, you just click on all shares. Okay, you just click on all shares. Okay, my network is interrupted. I'll allow it to load. Let it load. Okay, so yeah, it's here. So what to do is, if you want to sell your shares, like I told you, you buy your shares for $11, you buy your shares for $5, you buy your shares for $10, you buy your share for $8. No matter the price you buy it, as long as it is from $11 below, $12 below, it is still good. Then when they increase the share, you go back to all projects like I showed you from the menu. Okay, when you notice that those shares, they have increased price in market, what you do is you just come to the particular shares where you have your shares already. You click on sell. Okay, I hope you see the sell button I click. You click on this sell. Okay, you click on sell, then you put the amount. Let's say you bought it for $11, so we are selling the shares. Let's say you bought it for $11 and the shares automatically increased to $50, so we are putting 48. Let's say we are putting 48. Okay, so $48 is what we are putting on sale. Okay, then we are earning our profit back, extra times 3 profits. So that's the magic, guys. You don't have to be worried of all this. Okay, you don't have to be worried of all this. It's very simple. So I will encourage you, just scroll through the website, feel at home, just browse through, read informations. Okay, it's not complicated. So I don't know, if you have any questions, you let me know. I'll guide you through. This is how I earn and cash out every day. It's not a magic. You invest, you cash out daily. Even your coming children, your next generation will enjoy and profit from this. Okay, it's a lifetime earning. Seriously, yeah, it's a lifetime earning.